We'll guide you through how to set reminders on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and set reminders. Perhaps you want to go and be reminded about a meeting, to go and do something, or to go and have something. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything as we're covering important things throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So there's the Reminders app on the iPhone, which you're going to go and be using. It goes and looks like this. What we can do is we can go and open it up like so. You may by default be in one of these pages, but you can press the back button to get taken back to this main starting screen here. Now, what we can do is we can go and head to the bottom right and we can start the process. So go and press on the plus like so. At the top, you can go and enter in a title. So you go and say what this is about. I could go and type in, go for a walk. Of course, yours can be something else. Then we can go and type in notes. So I could say 15-minute walk. Of course, yours is going to go and be different. You can then go and type in a URL. This doesn't apply that well, but let's say you had a meeting. You could go and add in a meeting link there or something like that. Now for the important part is a date and time. So switch on date. So I can go and set this for tomorrow, let's say. And then what you can do is you can go and scroll down and switch on time. And you can go and choose a time this is going to go and go off. So let's go and say it was for 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. You can go and choose the time zone down there. What's really convenient is we can go and make this repeat. So press repeat and you can go and select daily. Let's say I wanted to go and do this every day I could. And I could go and set a end repeat as well if I wanted to. You can then go and scroll down here and we've got some more options. So you can go and see the list it'll be added to. That's fine. We've got details as well. So you can go and set this as a priority. Like I said, it's high, for example, and you can go and switch on location if you wanted to as well. So my precise location is turned off. So I should go to settings to turn it on. But what you can do is go and set it for a certain location like current, getting in or out of your car, custom, you're going to get the idea. And then you can go and press the tick in the top right. Now, if we come into scheduled, you're going to go and see it there, as you can see. So now at daily at 8 a.m., we're going to go and get this alert. To go and make sure we get the alert come through, you want to come to your settings and you'll be at the top here by default. Scroll down and you can go and find apps. Then you want to go and scroll down here and we need to go and find reminders. So this is alphabetical, so we can come to R and come into reminders. You can then go and find notifications and make sure this is switched on here and time sensitive as well. So tomorrow at 8 a.m, we're then going to go and receive that notification saying go for a walk. It's that simple. And you can go and see it here in the widget.